Hello, today we will guide you through how to stop all tools at once in Adobe Reader. In this walkthrough, we'll use a simple setting to keep the Tools pane and other interface elements from popping up when you don't want them. The idea is to have Acrobat remember exactly how you left things, so if you prefer a clean, distraction-free view, it stays that way the next time you open your files. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat. Any recent version of Acrobat or Acrobat Reader will work. Give it a moment to load so all menus become available. Next, open a sample project or any PDF you have handy. Using a real document helps you see the impact immediately because Acrobat saves view preferences on a per document basis. With a file open, you'll be able to confirm that your layout and panels behave the way you expect. Now look to the top left of the window for the main application menu. Depending on your version, this may appear as a traditional menu bar or a compact icon, often called a hamburger menu. Click that menu to expand your options. If you're on Windows, you might also see the Edit menu in the classic layout. On Mac OS, similar items live under the app name in the menu bar. From the expanded options, choose Preferences. This is where Acrobat controls document behavior and interface memory. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also use the standard Preferences command from your system's menu bar. When the Preferences dialog opens, select the Documents section. You'll find it listed along the left side among categories like General, Page Display, and Security. If the list is long, scroll until you see Documents and select it to reveal settings related to how your PDFs open and what Acrobat remembers about your last session. In Documents, enable the checkbox labeled Restore Last View Settings when reopening documents. This option is the key to stopping all tools at once. Here's why. Acrobat remembers the state of your workspace, including your page, zoom level, and whether panels like the Tools pane were open or closed. With this enabled, if you close or hide those panels during your session, Acrobat will keep them off the next time you open that same PDF, instead of automatically showing tools you don't need. That's it. The next time you return to your document, Acrobat will restore your clean layout, helping you focus on the content rather than managing panels. If you work with many PDFs, repeat this approach as needed so each file opens exactly how you prefer.